Hey guys, what's up? I'm Akanksha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the part 2 of photosynthesis chapter, and in this part we will discuss about the scientists who have told about the cycles, that is basically the C3 as well as the C4 cycle. And yesterday we discussed about the scientists who have led to the development in our understanding of photosynthesis as well as Blackman's law of limiting factor. So let's continue with today's video. So let's talk about C3 cycle or the Kelvin cycle. It is basically named after Melvin Kelvin, and Kelvin along with his co-workers showed that the pathway was operated in a cyclic manner as well as RUBP was regenerated. Basically there are three stages of the Kelvin cycle. First is carboxylation, second is reduction, and third is regeneration. If we talk about the energy used, and basically the trick in this is 3210, 3 ATP energy is used, equivalent is used, and 2 NADPH equivalent is used, 1 carbon dioxide is fixed, and 0 energy is released. And this data is basically for the 1 turn of cycle. The enzyme responsible for the fixation of CO2 is basically Rubisco, that is ribulase biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. If we talk about the bifurcation of how ATP is used and how NADPH is used in Kelvin cycle, then in reduction stage of Kelvin cycle, basically 2 NADPH and 2 ATP are used, and in regeneration step only 1 ATP is used. Let's talk about C4 cycle, which was given by Hedge and Slack. This is also known as the Hedge and Slack pathway. It talks about the double fixation of CO2. Okay, and then let's talk about which plants are C4 plants. Basically these plants are adapted to dry tropical regions, and secondly they're special because they have a special kind of leaf anatomy which is known as the Kranz anatomy. The enzyme responsible for the fixation of CO2 in C4 cycle is pepcase, that is phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. And talking about the ATP consumption in C4 cycle, there are 2 ATP consumed in the regeneration step, which takes place in the mesophyll cell, and in Kelvin cycle as discussed before, 3 ATP are consumed. So in total 5 ATP are consumed in 1 turn of C4 cycle. So here we finish our photosynthesis chapter. The scientists we need to remember in this chapter, I guess I have covered each and every scientist from NEET point of view. And so let's end this video. All the best guys, happy learning. Thanks for watching the video.